Hey there friends, today we're doing an unboxing on the ultrasonic shovel. This is by Pop Modern, and it's apparently a product for exfoliating your skin and all around acne care, as well as taking care of your face with pimples and stuff, and exfoliating your skin, revitalizing it. Makes a lot of claims here. So that sounds pretty good. Alrighty, so let's see what we have. It's the top of the box. Okay, so in here we have the Sonic Skin Scrubber directions. Alright, so what do we have? A little container here on top. How do we open this up? Come on, I just cut all my nails, so this is giving me some trouble. Wow. There we go. Alright, so let me see if you guys can show you this here. Some tools for taking care of those pesky problems on your face, I guess. So they look kind of like those devices you would see in like a torture movie, or a movie like We Have Ways of Making You Talk, and they start setting out these tools. So looks like high quality. Looks like a little lance there, pretty sharp on the end. This one is quite similar. They have nice little loops on the end, so you can hang them up if you want to. This one is, what is this? So that's interesting. It's a little, just kind of a little hole there on the end. I'm not even sure what that is for. I'll have to, in the demonstration review, I'll have to check that out. And least but not last, a little hook device there on the end. So these appear fairly nice, maybe stainless steel or something. I'll put them back in their little case. Alrighty, back in the case you go. And next we have the lifting, moisturizing, cleansing actual item that we all wanted to see, I'm sure. So in there we have a nice little box nestled in there, and there's some great packaging foam. This foam feels so cool, super dense foam. So that's it for that. Here is a USB charging cord. And here we have it, my friends. Okay, so first impressions. Here we have a little charge port there that can be covered up. This appears to be well constructed. Let's see. Looks kind of neat there. I wonder if I can turn it on right now. So let's take the end off here, shall we? Okay. And it looks like just like some kind of little spatula thing here. So this is supposed to vibrate at like 24,000 revolutions. Wow, that is nice and shiny. So I don't know if it has a charge or not right now. Apparently I don't think so. So I haven't charged it up yet, so that's okay. I was just seeing if there was a... Okay, it doesn't look like it has a charge yet, but that is it, my friends. It looks pretty cool. Appears to be well constructed. It is cordless too, so that's kind of handy. Alright, so we will be doing a demonstration / review here as soon as I get this charged up and ready to go. So thanks for watching this unboxing on the facial scrubber, facial spatular cleaner, gentle peel skin extractor, blackhead. It does everything pretty much. So I'm pretty excited to check this thing out. All right, everyone, have a great day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.